Hello friends, I am back, and from my last video I found out that a lot of you were not able to understand exactly what metadata is. So in this video I'll try to explain what metadata is in a little detail. So if we come to the definition of metadata, it's that data that provides information about other data. But what does it mean? And it has this word data coming again and again, and what is this information? So to explain that, let me take example. So now suppose we have a school, and the school wants to collect data of all the classes, and they assign a teacher that he should get information about all the students that are there in the class and their phone numbers. So now it took 4 hours for a teacher to collect the data from 3-4 classes, and we were able to do whatever we wanted to achieve. But after a certain amount of time, we thought that okay, now some time has passed, like 2 years, and after 2 years we wanted to know, to get all the number of all the students which were in 5A 2 years back. But the data that we collected suddenly becomes irrelevant because we have no time information in the data that we collected about the students. We know that we have sheets from students of 5A, 6A, but for which year they are and all the related information, that is completely lost. So the 4 hours of work that we did are completely lost, and all the survey that we took is now no use or unusable because we didn't have any other information as was needed in context to data that we collected. So now suppose for each of these tables or sheets where we collected the data, we also wrote the teacher's name and the year in which this data was actually collected. So if we did this, the data even after 2 years would have been more useful. So in this case, the teacher's name, the year in which the survey was taken, which class it belongs, they all become metadata, means information that is explaining that what is the content in the sheet, so that this content can be used after a certain amount of time. We have lot of fields around it, so more metadata about certain data we keep, more reusable that becomes. So I would say this is a simpler example of anything. So now moving on to a more complicated scenario, like enterprise. So we have big enterprises and they have a lot of different offices, right? So let's take an example of a typical enterprise, and which has say office 1, office 2, office 3, and the heads and the analyst, they sit in a completely different place. So now they have a lot of staff, and these offices are constantly talking with each other, transferring information, doing a certain kind of stuff, right? And they all keep on producing a certain amount of data and exchanging with each other. But suddenly, after 2 years, the boss finds that there is an issue in the company which is coming out, and to solve the issue and to pinpoint the problem, same like the school, they need the information of last 2 years. But in last 2 years, many softwares have updated, many people have left the organization. So how difficult it will be to recreate the data? Now you can think that now gigabytes of data has been produced over last 2 years, but because people have changed, software has changed, so we don't have, it's very difficult to reanalyze the problem because things have changed. Now suppose if we labeled all the data that we created in last 2 years with things like who created it, when created it, with which version of software it was created, all those kind of things. So it will become very easy for even for heads or the analytics guys to track the things, to give the reports of last 2 years, so that decision making, problem solving, all of it becomes quick, and you can connect things in a quicker format. So all these things about the data, this is much complicated. Who, when, and how are just high level things that I am saying, but this is how you can actually make that gigabytes of data collected over time useful. And you can actually store all this metadata information of all the data that you created in Apache. So this is the context about what metadata is in the sense of enterprise and what metadata means in sense of our local usage. Thank you. So this was the purpose. So I'll come up with a newer video next time, like what does the lineage means in terms of metadata. So please like, share, and comment on this video and share this if possible. Thank you.